Hey my friends, hope you're having an amazing day. If you haven't subscribed yet, now is the perfect time. Hit that button, like this video and share it, because today we're diving into something truly groundbreaking. A moment in history that's sending shockwaves through the tech world. You're going to love this. Let me tell you a story. Imagine a small team of young, brilliant minds working on something so powerful, so game-changing, that in just 2 years, it disrupted the entire AI industry. While giants like OpenAI, Google, and Meta have been pouring billions into AI development, a Chinese company did the impossible. With just a fraction of the resources, DeepSeek AI has shaken the world. And the best part, it's completely free for everyone to use. Now think about that for a second. OpenAI's most advanced model, Model 1, costs $200 a month. DeepSeek? Zero. Nothing. Free. And yet, in many ways, it's outperforming every major AI model in the world. It's smarter, more efficient, and built on a revolutionary new approach. In just a week, it became the most downloaded app in the US. The next day, it was #1 in India and other countries. And then, something no one saw coming. It wiped out $1 trillion from the US tech market. One company, Nvidia, lost $589 billion in a single day, the biggest loss in history. Why? Because everyone thought AI progress depended on expensive high-end chips. DeepSeek proved them wrong. It used older, less powerful chips and still built something extraordinary. This isn't just an AI story. This is about innovation, about doing the impossible, about proving that you don't need billions of dollars. You just need the right people, the right mindset, and the right strategy. Now let's talk about the mastermind behind this revolution, Liang Wenfeng. Ever heard of him? Probably not, because he rarely makes public appearances. He's not in the spotlight, but what he's built is changing the game. Instead of hiring experienced engineers, he gathered PhD students from China's top universities, brilliant young minds who think differently. They focused on the hardest questions, on reasoning, on logic, and within 2 years they built DeepSeek R1. Now, here's where it gets even crazier. DeepSeek doesn't just give answers. It thinks, really thinks. Unlike older AI models that just spit out responses, DeepSeek questions itself, analyzes possibilities, and refines its answer before giving it to you. It's built with something called the chain of thought method, just like OpenAI's ChatGPT 01, but in many ways, it's even better. Let's put it to the test. If you ask most AI chatbots, which is bigger, 9.11 or 9.9, they'll quickly say 9.11. Wrong. But DeepSeek pauses. It questions itself, analyzes from different angles. And then, after deep reasoning, it gives you the correct answer, 9.9. That's real intelligence. That's what makes it different. But here's the thing. No AI is perfect. DeepSeek has its downsides too. One big issue? Censorship. If you ask about certain topics like the Chinese government, Tiananmen Square or Taiwan, it refuses to answer. But guess what? DeepSeek is open source. That means anyone can take its code, remove the censorship, and make it even better. And companies are already doing this. Perplexity AI, Microsoft, and others have taken DeepSeek's model, stripped the restrictions, and integrated it into their platforms. That's why, despite its origins, people all over the world are trusting and using it. Now let's compare. How does DeepSeek stack up against the top AI models today? When it comes to coding, it's the best. For logical reasoning, also #1. For science and general knowledge, almost as good as ChatGPT. But here's a downside. Speed. It takes longer to respond. And as more people use it, the wait times are increasing. But that's temporary. As they scale up their serve, this will improve. And here's something truly next level. DeepSeek's mixture of expert system. Unlike ChatGPT, which functions as one big model, DeepSeek splits into specialized experts. When you ask a medical question, the doctor AI answers. When you ask an engineering question, the engineer AI steps in. This makes it more efficient, using fewer resources while still delivering top-tier answers. It's a completely new way of building AI, and it's why DeepSeek can operate at such a low cost. Now let's address the controversy. Some claim DeepSeek copied OpenAI's work. OpenAI is even considering legal action. But here's the irony. OpenAI itself trained on vast amounts of internet data, including copyrighted books and news articles, without permission. Big names like George R.R. Martin and the New York Times have sued OpenAI for copyright infringement. So if OpenAI trained on other people's work and now DeepSeek trained on OpenAI's models, Who really owns AI knowledge? It's a battle that's only just beginning. And here's the bigger picture. The US government tried to block China from advancing in AI by restricting access to NVIDIA's best chips. But instead of stopping them, it forced them to innovate. DeepSeek proved that AI can be built smarter, faster, and cheaper, even without the latest hardware. That's why NVIDIA's stock took the biggest hit. Because the world just realized that AI isn't just about spending billions, it's about doing things differently. So what does this mean for you? It means the AI revolution isn't coming. It's already here. And you have a choice. You can sit on the sidelines and watch, or you can dive in, start learning, and take advantage of these powerful tools. Whether you're a student, a business owner, a creator, or just someone curious about AI, now is the time to level up. The opportunities are endless. Guys, this is just the beginning. AI is evolving at lightning speed, and those who embrace it will have a massive advantage. So tell me, what's your dream? Drop a comment below and let's talk about it. If this inspired you even a little bit, hit that like button, share this with someone who needs to hear it, and don't forget to subscribe for more powerful stories like this. Thanks for watching. Now go out there and make things happen.